Hello Sudoku friends, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, March the 22nd, 2022. Here in this additional we have 9 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. The first one I have solved, the 3-star Sudoku. Then this one is a tough one, the 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic, binary and Sudoku mix. It's time for the binary puzzle. This will be number 4295. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then between 2 O's. Oh, we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then let me see. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Well. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Question is, can we compare? No. Double Oh. Yeah. How about 10. This row and that row. Let me count. Let me compare. 1 1 0 1 1 0 empty box. 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Great. One time for comparing. I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the fourth puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.